Dear friends, welcome to my channel 1 to 10 Education. Today's topic is Speech on Independence Day. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I am here to speak about Pakistan's Independence Day. We celebrate this special day on 14th August every year. On this day in 1947, Pakistan became an independent country. We remember the great sacrifices of our freedom fighters and the leadership of Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who worked hard to make Pakistan a free nation. As responsible citizens, we should love our country, respect our flag, obey the law, study sincerely, and work honestly. Together, we can make Pakistan stronger, cleaner, and more successful. Let us promise to serve our country with unity, faith, and discipline. Pakistan Zindabad. Thank you. Dear friends, if you like this video, so please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.